talking small, just the usual way. Laughter in the air, nothing left to say. Then you looked at me, silence took control. The rhythm of the moment echoed in my soul. Your eyes got serious, the world fell still. Heartbeat racing faster than my will. Every second stretched like you knew the truth. I could feel the weight of what's in you. Hey, can I say my world aligned? Every little word's burning in my mind. I don't know what's coming, but I feel it's real. Hey, can I say I know what you feel? Oh, I know what you feel. Oh, I know what you feel. We were talking small, then the silence grew. But nothing's ever small when it's coming from you. Hey, can I say, still rings in my ear. A moment I'll remember forever clear.